Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Shun Rodriguez by Messigari Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tingnan natin na nagsabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a monthly gabay for the month of July 2024 for the sign of Libra. So Libra, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, ng spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Libra signs ang ating mga hagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsubaybay sa aking channel, lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manambalik sa inyo. So let's see what is the messages, advices sa iyo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Libra. So let's watch this. Angel spirit, give me information. Ano kayo gusto sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga baraha? Alamin na natin yan, guys. Let's watch this. And of course, there's a 3 of Wands. So, waiting for a soul to waiting for a ship. Na may hinihintay kang travel dito, guys, no? Or something, documents, papers. So, there's possible na maaaring dumating na. And of course, there's an information with the 5 of Swords. Uy, nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage, no? Be aware, no? Pag-share ng social media, pag-share ng mga thoughts, information, no? With your friends, relatives. Now, there's something evil eye contract, no? May mga tao dyan na parang, kumbaga naiinggit behind your back, no? Kumbaga kailangan maging aware ka sa mga bagay na binibigay mo, no? Or pinapaalam mo. And because there's an information with the 2 of Swords with an indecision, na may mga bagay na nahihirapan ka pang mag-decide, na parang hindi mo alam kung ilalaban mo ba o hindi, nagkakaroon ka ng ganong eksena. And because there's something at the 7 of Pentacles for harvest time. So may mga bagay dito na mag-aani ka na ng mga pinaghirapan mo. Maaring tumubo na, maaring malasap mo na. There's a 9 of Swords with a success driven. No, bibilis na ang takbo ng eksena dito, no? Itong bagay na to is a very adventurous or situation or excitement. So ganun, magiging mabilis na ang kaganapan sa buhay mo. And because this is something, a 6 of Wands for a victory is yours. No, mapagtatagumpayan mo rito na pagdating sa eksena mo or buhay, pag-ibig, love life, or career. Let's see kung ano tong victory, no? So let's see what is the something, a 3 of Wands. So there's the Empress card, sorry. This is something, Empress card. So there's something, a revert, no? Renewal, new beginning, guys. So magkakaroon ka ng bago eksena dito. Ito yung hinihintay mo na magpapabago sa eksena mo. So let's see what is the 5 of Swords. No? What is the 5 of Swords? Represent the Queen of Cups, no? There's a mother figure na may malaking inggit sa'yo. No? This is something, a mother figure, or babae siya na medyo may edad-edad na, no? Na may mainggit sa'yo. The 2 of Swords represent what? The Full card. So this is something, a leap of faith, or something, a new beginning, because there's a full card for perseverance. So, kailangan mo magtiyaga, no? Mahihirapan ka mag-decision dahil naguguluhan ka pa sa situation mo. But, you need to trust with God, no? Kailangan mo magtiwala. The 7 of Coin represent what? The Moon card, the truth reveals. So, may mga bagay dito na may lalantad and there's a dream coming true. Na matutupad itong mga pangarap mo. At maaaring mag-ani ka na. The 9 of Swords represent the 6 of Coins. So, there's something giving, receiving something by the universe. Na magtutuloy-tuloy na raw about sa finances. At maaaring maggaganda na ang takbo ng eksena mo. There's something, the 6 of Wands for the judgment. Now, this is something, a wake of call or inner calling or pay attention. Or maaaring pinapaalalahanan ka na mas maganda yung silent success, no? Or silent victory. So, may mga bagay dito na kailangan tahimik ka, hindi kailangan bulgara, na parang trumpet, guys, na parang rinig lahat ng sasabihin mo, no? Just be aware. So, let's see what is the 3 of Wands, because the Empress card. So, this is the 7 of Wands, you are being protected, no? Protektado ka, no? From a negativity. So, itong hinihintay mong documents or result, there's a possible na makuha mo na. So, let's see what is the 5 of Swords, because the Queen of Cups. So, represent the 5 of Coins. So, see, ito yung kumbaga, there's a financial loss of financial crisis, no? Meron ditong, kumbaga, complication, no? Nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage not because of your actions. Be aware ha, kasi itong bagay na to ay maaaring magkaroon sa'yo ng financial loss or financial crisis, no? Maaaring mabudol ka dito, no? There's something, a mother figure here, na maaaring maganang hiram sa'yo, hindi na nagbayad, no? Ganon. So, let's see what is the additional messages with the Two of Swords and the Full card. So, this is the Page of Wands by good news. May magandang balita daw, there's a new ideas, rather. Kumbaga, makukuha mo yung, there's a plan. Okay. Kumbaga, makukuha mo tong bagay na to na maaaring magdala sa'yo ng success. The Seven of Pentacles because the Moon card represent the King of Cups. So, there's a devoted and supportive person. May taong sumusuport at gumagabay sa'yo dito. Pero kung sa magtutupad sa mga pangarap mo, no? At yung mga nasimulan mo ay maaaring magtuloy-tuloy na, no? With this person. The Knight of Swords because the Six of Coins represent what? The Ten of Coins. So this is something a long-term success and long-term investment. So there's a financial security, guys, na maaaring magdala sa'yo ng pang matagal. So there's a something give and take, no? And very adventure and excitement. So ibig sabihin, magiging maganda na takbo ng eksena mo in the near future, guys, no? Maaaring magdala sa'yo ng panghabang buhay, pang matagalan. So this is a this is a long-term, no? So let's see what is the Six of Wands and the Judgment. As Six of Wands, regards to Judgment, represent the King of Wands. So, something ambitions, no? Kumbaga, gamayan mo, no? Tignan mo yung posibilidad na mangyayari. Kailangan, alam mo lagi magiging outcome, no? Nang gagawin mo. Maging aware ka sa mga nasa paligid mo. So, let's see what is the outcome. For the outcome, represent what? So, this is the Four of Coins, not just something re-evaluate or analyze. No? May mga bagay na pag-iisipan mo dito. May mga bagay na i-clear out mo dito. Na magtiyaga ka, mag-ipon ka, magtabi ka. And because this is something a Knight was for slow and steady and slowly but surely. No? Kumbaga, mabagal man ang eksena mo pero makakaipon at makakausad ka at makakabangon ka. Additional messages. So, this is the Hierophant. There's a something education. Matuto ka na sa mga pinagdaanan mo pagdating sa finances, ha? Magtipid, mag-imbak, mag-invest, no, kung maaari, on your own, ha. Hindi kayo pwede mag-invest for other persons. So, let's see what is additional messages about tayo sa career. So, this is a strength card, no, by confidence. Lakas ang loob mo, ha. Kailangan marunong kang ilaban yung business or trabaho mo. And of course, there's a Knight of Wands for perseverance. No? Magtiyaga ka sa negosyo, trabaho, hanap buhay mo dyan. No? Kailangan mo lakasan at maging masipag, maging matapang ka dyan. There's a Knight of Cups with a wish fulfillment. So, may mga bagay na matutupad na pagdating sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay mo. Additional messages about sa love life. So, this is the Three of Swords. So, see, there's something to Haman. Lutang yung person mo, ha? Maaring lutang ka. There's a Three of Swords. May naiinggit sa inyo. May naiinggit sa inyo. There's the King of Coins. Not something practicality. No? Itong tao na to is very practical. No? Parang nanguhut-hut to or nangihingi sa inyo palagi or nangungutang. And because there's something, the Hermit card. See, this, pag may Hermit card talaga pagdating sa love life, there's a spiritual problem. No? Ginagawan talaga ng eksena pagdating sa love life. Additional messages about naman tayo sa health. Sa health mo naman, there's something, the Star card, healing, no? Unti-unting paghilaw, unti-unting paggaling. There's something miracles, no? Kumbaga may himala sa paggaling sa iyong karamdaman. And of course, there's the Two of Coins na magdadala sa ng balance. Okay. So, let's see, guys, no? What is additional messages about naman tayo sa Money Move Oracle deck. So, let's see. This is a financial and of course, career reading, guys. Let's see. Additional messages, Angel Spirit for career or opportunity. So, there's a fertility. So, something na magkakaroon ka ng blessing. Don't sacrifice family for career. So, pagdating sa it's time to think about family, life, and children. So, pagdating sa mga bagay-bagay, panghawakan at pangalagaan mo yung mga bagay na meron ka ngayon, no? And kasi sa dito, there's a something winning. Ipapanalo mo tong laban na to, no? Kumbaga, wag mong masyadong tinitingnan yung sa ibang bagay. Wag mong, kumbaga, itutok yung sarili mo sa ibang bagay. Tutok kami yung sarili mo dito sa mas magandang kahihinatnan. There's an expressions, no? Kumbaga, express your creative self. So, ibig sabihin dito, i-enjoy mo yung sarili mo, no? Tuklasin mo yung mga bagay na magpapahalaga sa'yo. At may mga bagay na nagpapasaya sa'yo. So, let's see. Additional messages about naman tayo sa Mystic Love Oracle deck for love life. So let's see what is the romance angels for love life. So there is an information with intimacy, bonding, no? Magkakaroon kayo ng bonding, guys, with your loved ones, no? With your partner, with your husband, with your wife, with your jowa or kaharutan, eme. And because there is something missing thinking of you. So meron ditong mamimiss ka, no? Meron ditong hinahanap-hanap ka. And of course, there is something all of the sudden, unexpected. No? Mayroon dito magtatagpo ng hindi inaadya. Ay, there's an unexpected pagtatagpo. So let's see. What is additional messages for magical fairy messages? So let's see, guys. What is additional messages? So there's a business venture. So this is a new opportunity or career opportunity for you or new business ideas. And of course, there's a goodbye to the old, hello to the new. No, pakawalan mo ng nakaraan at kumumusta ka ngayon sa bagong eksena. Ganon. May bagong ganap at bagong pag-ibig. Ay, eme. So let's see, guys, what is a yin and yang oracle card? For yin and yang oracle card represent North Node by cosmic purpose. No, makikita mo na yung life purpose mo. There's a something third party, guys. Or maaaring makilala mo sa party yung person mo. Or there's a third party involved. There's a remember, awakening, no? Parang minumulat ka sa lahat ng mga makikita mo, no? Or masisilayan mo. Parang ganon. So let's see what is additional messages for synchronicities. And there's the world, no? Maaaring sa ibang bansa, or taga-ibang bansa yung person mo, or maaaring magkaiba kayo ng bansa, or maaaring nasa ibang bansa yung person mo. And there's a speaking truth, no? Malalaman mo ang katotohanan, guys, no? Mismo sa bibig niya, mahuhuli mo siya. And there's a protecting love, no? Pinoprotektahan dito ang pag-ibig. Ay. So let's see, what is additional messages for an angel's answer? For the angel's answer, represent what? It's up to you. No? Nasa sa'yo talaga ang magiging decision. Additional messages. So there is something, get more information mo. Marami ka pang dapat makuha impormasyon and there's a no. Marunong ka dapat humindi. Ha? Additional one more card, please. And within the next few weeks, sa mga susunod na linggo, may mga magaganap na pagbabago, ha? Makukuha mo rin mga kasagutan sa mga katanungan mo. So let's see what is the romance angels represent what? Romance angels represent engagement. This is a higher level commitment, guys. Meron dito magkakasal, ha? And there's a deception. Meron naman dito false mask. Meron dito nagpapanggap pagdating sa relasyon. Merong hindi totoo. Be aware, ha? So let's see what is additional messages. And there is for chakra ikang Herapel for healing. Ooh. And there's an anxieties, no? Nagkakaroon ka ng sleepless night or something, depressions, stress, worries, no? And because there's something, an angel of strength. Kailangan mo raw lakasan ng loob mo, lakasan ng pakiramdam. And there's an healer of the ages, no? Kahit gaano katagal na yung mga nangyari sa from the past ay maaring unti-unti nang hihilom. So let's see what is the chakra messages. For the chakra, let's see. And there's an instinct, guys, no? Tama yung hinala mo, there's a something trickery. No? Nililin lang ka lang nila. Na may tao nalilin lang dito, may tao ditong, kumbaga, tama yung hinala mo na pinagdududahan mo na siya yung eksena, ganyan, na siya ang gumawa ng eksena mo, there's a something abundance, no? Magkakaroon ka ng kasaganahan dito. And there is a use your imagination and you see the answer. No? Gamitin mo ang iyong intuitions, no? Para malaman yung mga kasagutan sa mga katanungan mo. And of course, there's this situation is already resolved. No? Kilala mo na eh. Nalaman mo na kung sino. And there's you're on the right path. Nasa tamang direction ka ha, in fairness. Nakilala mo na or kilala mo na kung sino itong Inglaterra na sumasabotahe sa iyong love life. Additional Archangel Michael. Archangel Raphael. Sorry. Archangel Raphael messages. And there is a meditation. So, ibig sabihin, nag-meditate ka. Nakilala mo talaga siya with your meditation, ha, guys. And there is something unconditional joy. Inggit, okay? There is something unconditional joy. No, masaya ka kasi sa mga bagay-bagay, maliit lang na bagay, masaya ka na eh. No, yun siguro kinaingitan sa'yo. So, let's see what is additional messages. That card. So this is the ending and a new beginning. A transformation for you. And there's an acceptance na may mga bagay na unti-unti mo na matatanggap. So let's see what is the Monsology. For Monsology, represent what? For Monsology, bring love in this situation. Mahalin mo yung situation mo, guys. And your romantic cycle begin. No? Magkakaroon ka ng bagong eksena pagdating sa pag-ibig. No? Magsisimula na ang ganap. And there's a show the world the real you. No? Ipakita mo sa mundo kung sino ka talaga. Kung anong wangis mo. Ay, wangis! So let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's a trust, no? Kailangan mo magtiwala sa ating Panginoon. There's an honesty. So, kailangan mo maging tapat, no? And there's a teacher, no? Kailangan mo matuto, kailangan mo malaman, kailangan mong, kumbaga, sumunod, no? There's a something emotion, no? Maaaring kailangan mo munang pakawalan yung tension. Kailangan mo na mag-behave for this moment. No? Let's see what is additional messages for angel spirit. So, there's a heart desires. Kung anong gusto ng puso mo, sindin mo, ha? Kumbaga, maaaring makuha mo yung mga hinahangad ng iyong puso, no? And of course, there's a speaker, no? There's a something orasyon, guys, na meron din dito, para sa sense ko, there's a gayuma, guys, out there. Okay. So, let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's, you got the love. So, there's a boundaries. Pagdating sa love life, guys, ha, mag-set ka ng boundaries dyan, guys. Mag-set ka ng, protections dyan. Kasi, kumbaga, may sumasapa o mayroong, kumbaga, sumasabotahin ng love life mo. There's a trust the timing. So, may mga bagay na napapanahon, may mga bagay na ibibigay siya sa takdang panahon at pagkakataon. For Jesus' loving quote said, come to me, all you that labor and heavy laden, I will you give you the rest. Now, see? Kumbaga, lahat doon ng mga mabibigat or nararamdaman or pasanin sa buhay mo, pakawalan mo. Kasi the more na binakawalan, binitawan mo, gagaang ka. At sinasabi dito, isurrender mo lahat ng mga bagay na yan at magiging maganda takbo ng eksena mo. So let's see, what is the angel's number? Represent what? For the angel's number, so there is a 774, perseverance, no? Pagtsatsaga, o sa may mga bagay dito na mababago na, no? At sinasabi dito, there is a need for a change of perspective on whatever has taken over you now. If you want to succeed, you need to keep it going down the road you're on, reach for the wisdom within, and then you just know what the right next step is. So see, magtiyaga ka lang sa mga bagay na pinanghawakan mo. Basta baguhin mo yung pananaw, baguhin mo yung kaisipan mo, baguhin mo yung strategy mo, no? Kasi minsan dyan nag-share ka ng thoughts, eventually doon ka nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage kasi sinasabotahin nila yung eksena mo, no? Kasi kumbaga, ayun yung pinaniwalaan mo, ayun yung nasa isip mo, no, ayun yung gusto mong gawin, So, dun ka gagawin na para unahan ka or para masapawang ka, no? Kaya maging aware ka sa mga gagawin mo actions. Ayun yung sabi na silent success, na kailangan maging tahimik ka sa mga tagumpay mo. Sa mga na-achieve mo, maging tahimik ka kasi hindi mo kilala yung mga taong nasa paligid mo o yung mga taong malapit sa iyo pala ay may lihim na inggit sa iyo. So, let's see what is the messages of life. Forgiveness, no? Nandito tayo sa pagpapatawad, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mong pakawalan at magpatawad sa mga bagay na nagkasala sa iyo, no? At sinasabi dito today, I bless each soul I've received to have hurt me. I release them to their own greater good. I can now see that my fast provides me with the lessons that help me live more fully in the presence. I no longer struggles with the been said and done. I am grateful for every experience that has brought me here. I feel myself with the love that is pure and free. So see, the more na pinapakawalan mo yung ngit-ngit, galit sa puso mo, the more na magfulfill lahat ng mga pangharap mo. No, hindi mo kailangan patulan at kumbaga gumanti sa mga tao sa paligid mo, bagkos. Pakawalan mo, patawarin mo sila, no? Hindi para sa kanila, para sa sarili mo, no? At of course, basta wag ka na lang ulit magpapabudol at wag ka magpapabuto dahil ang mundo ginagalawan mo ay isang mapanlin lang, no? So guys, this is something a monthly gabay for the month of July 2024 for the sign on Libra. So, Libra, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updated. Because maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik digdig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo at maraming salamat po. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!